Okay, now let me share the screen. Okay, from question number 4 I'll start. So that homework I need to explain.
No, ma'am, not needed.
No, ma'am.
Amitrajit,
No, ma'am.
Anushka, Inur and Yash and Safin, these 5 students not done the homework. So for these 5 students I need to explain, or you will try it at home.
We will try it at home.
Okay, suppose after trying also you are unable to complete this, then on Monday I will explain again. Understood? So now let me share the screen. Number 4th one. What is written?
Ma'am, please choose yellow color.
No. Look. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, it is not okay. Okay, let me choose red color. Okay. Now masti done. Okay, come to the work. Come back. Okay, what is exercise E? The fourth question is what? Debolin, read question number 4 first.
Okay, ma'am. The lengths of 3 clothes are 842 meter, 666 meter, and 724 meter respectively. What is the maximum length of a measuring tape that can measure the 3 clothes exactly?
It's a 624.
No, ma'am. 666.
724.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. 66, ma'am. 666. 666. You have done 64.
Acha, look at this. 3 cloths of this length are given. Okay, suppose I am taking first one, this length. Okay, second cloth of this length. Understood? And third cloth of this length. All of you clear this one though? Now what to do? We have to find the measure of such a cloth whose length will be in such a way so that it can measure all of this cloth, all of this, all the length. Understood? Suppose I am taking, suppose forget about cloth. Okay, just choose a scale by which you can measure all these cloths length. Understood? Suppose let us take this one is the scale. Okay, acha, the scale is suppose of 3 meter. Okay, now if we are measuring the first one is of 842 meter, second hundred of 666 meter, third one is 724 meter. Suppose by using this scale we are measuring these 3 cloths individually. Okay, listen to me very carefully. Anushka, yes. Look, using this 3 meter scale, we can measure this first 3, another 3, third 3, fourth 3. In this way, it will continue. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so.
Yes,
For the
ma'am.
second one.
Yes, ma'am.
But if the number 842 is totally divisible by this 3, then there will be no remaining portion. Suppose in case of second one, look, 666. So first 3, second 3, third 3, fourth 3. In this way, we will continue. And one time, it covered all the length, whole length. Okay. Look,
Yes,
suppose dividing by 3, it will be 222. So if we count 222 times by using this 3 meter scale, then it can be covered the whole length. Clear? Understood?
Yes,
After
ma'am.
this, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
any
Yes,
number
ma'am.
which is not divisible, look, 842. If it is not divisible, then definitely some remaining portion will be there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Remaining.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
suppose Let me
Yeah,
take,
ma'am.
suppose let me take a small number 15, okay, 14 and one more 21, huh? Look, we are using a scale of 7 meter. It will be more easy. Look, first one we are taking the measurement first 7, another 7, then 1 meter will be left. So yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Extra.
One
one
meter
is
extra will leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose for the second one we are taking 7 meter, then 7 meter, no remaining part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 7
Completely.
meter, 7 meter, 7 meter, completely. Okay. That means can we choose this 7 meter? No, because it is not covering this 15
15.
one though. Yes, though.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shourjas is understood though. So that means
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have to take this scale in such a way so that it can cover all of them. Understood though? There will be no remaining part in each of them. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now, Acha, that
Yes,
means
ma'am.
definitely one number which divides all this number, yes or no? Then we have to find that number in such a way so that all the numbers will be completely divisible by this, by the chosen number, yes or no? Suppose I am taking 824, 666, 724. That means we have to choose a number in such a way so that there will be no remaining part. So, no remaining part means what? Definitely this number will completely divides these three numbers, yes or no? There will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
zero as
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
you. There will be zero as
Yes, ma'am.
remainder. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means this number must be a common factor of all these numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Common
ma'am.
factor.
Yes, ma'am.
That means common
Ma'am,
common factor means what? The HCF. Yes or no? We have to
Yes,
find
ma'am.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
highest,
Yes, ma'am.
the greatest. Yes. So we have to
Yes,
find
yes,
the
ma'am.
HCF of these three. Okay, the same type of questions. There are even question number 5, 6. Most of the questions are this type of question. If you understand only one question now, then you can understand all the questions related to this type. Understood, Tom?
Yes,
Rifa,
ma'am.
Tehzeeb, Shuhana.
Yes, ma'am. It is very clear. Yes, ma'am.
Understand.
Ma'am, it is.
It
Ma'am,
is
it is
easy.
very easy
Yes,
also.
ma'am. It is very.
Okay, good. Okay, now solve. Number 4th one.
Ma'am, I have solved, ma'am. Can I tell?
No, at first let all of them complete. Okay, Trisha. Don't worry, I'll ask the answer only. But let all of them complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, what to write? Write the statement by your own. Okay. I am just giving the hint. Okay. The maximum length of a measuring tape. Just write. Acha, I am also writing. Huh? The maximum length.
We will write this only, ma'am.
You can write the statement by your own only. Okay. There will be no issue. Understood? If the meaning, but the meaning must be same. Understood?
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
written a statement. Can you tell it? I am telling. Can you?
Right
can
now,
tell it
wait,
in
Trisha. I'll check each and everyone's copy. Okay. Just wait for some times. Okay, beta. Upon measuring tape, the maximum length of a measuring tape is the length or will be the HCF of 842, 666 and 724. Yes, Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
Now find their HCF.
Yes.
Okay, you can use.
But
pointer.
ma'am, I have written another statement, ma'am, like the maximum length of the measuring tape that can measure all the three clothes exactly is there 88. It can be.
Yes.
Ma'am,
First,
I have
right.
done
Ma'am, two. Ma'am, two.
Yes, ma'am. From 2.
Yes, ma'am, two.
Next. After that,
I am saying the fulfill, ma'am.
okay, Ipshita, stop
Ma'am, you
talking.
tell, I will tell.
So Hinur understood to? Orgodi?
Yes, ma'am. I have done also.
Okay. Acha, now look. It is 2, it is 1, it is 3. Basically, you can check. No common factor is there. Only 2 is the common factor. Yes?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
hence the required number is
And
acha, here not the number. The required length is of 2 meter.
Ma'am, please tell everyone to mute themselves.
From whom the noises are coming? Divyanka, just check.
Ipshita, who else?
Ipshita, every day, huh? Acha, also, Safin, mute yourself better. Okay. Now, question number 5. The same thing. Question number 5. Only in place of clothes, it is given water tank. Okay, I am explaining, huh?
yes.
Look, number 5th one. Okay, there are 3 water tanks. Acha, no, 2 water tanks of capacity. First one is of 96 liter. It is 96. And second one is of
80 liter.
80 liter. Okay. Okay. Now we have to take the maximum number of, suppose a pot. Okay. The maximum capacity of the pot to empty this one by using this pot. Suppose we are taking a mug, jug, whatever, huh? By this pot, okay. Basically, by this using this pot, we have to empty this two, okay, so that there will be no water remaining, and in each and every time we have to fill this pot. Okay, you cannot take suppose half of this pot, it will not be done. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means by using this jug, okay, I am taking a jug. Understood? This one is jug. Okay, look, you can also take cup, huh? No issue, but you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to find the maximum capacity, huh? Maximum, basically how much quantity it can be filled. Now look, suppose we are taking 3 liter of jug. Look, then first 3 liter we will take, another 3 liter, and in second step, in third step, another
Yes.
3 liter, another. As 96 is divisible by 3,
Yes.
so in 32 times we can empty this one. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
In case of 80 liter tank, look, if we divide this,
32.
3 2s are 6.
Ma'am, there will be remainder.
Look,
Yes, it can't be divisible exactly.
that means this 2 liter will be extra here now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Times
So you
in
have to
20
find another number.
yes, in 26 times we can empty up to 78 liter. Then
Ma'am,
2
two.
liter will be extra. Yes, so we
Ma'am, 2
cannot
will be
take
the
this
common
one.
factor. 2 will be the common factor.
2 common factor, sure. Have you done it?
No, ma'am. It is saying that the
Same.
maximum capacity, not the minimum. It's the
Not the
minimum.
minimum. Exactly. Acha, who told me 2 is the
Acha.
answer? Who told me? Just tell me the name.
Rifa.
Rifa, good. Actually, you have told 2. It is okay, good. Okay, but it is given the maximum. Also, 4 can be na Rifa. Check. 96 is applicable. Both are. Then, in this way, we have to move. Also, look. 8 can be. 8 also can be, though. Okay.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
coming. Trisha, just keep quiet. If you know all the thing, keep quiet. Let me explain for others also. You have done in tuition, it doesn't mean that all of them done, na? So just keep quiet. Rifa, you told me the 2 liter. So it can be also 4 liter, though. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, 8 liter.
Yes.
So how many times we will find this? In this way, it will continue though. That means the maximum, as it is given maximum, so we have to find the highest common factor, na? 8. Now it is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So write I will have to write the statement.
No, ma'am. We will write it by our own. It will be more better.
Suppose those who are unable to write, they can look at the screen. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
This is maximum, huh? MUM. The maximum of the pot which can empty 96 liter water tank. Acha, 96 liter and 80 liter water tank at an exact number of time. That means there will be no remaining part, right? Exact number of times.
Yes, ma'am. No remainder.
Is there HCF? Now find the HCF. You can find the HCF yourself. Only 96 and 80 is given, na?
Ma'am,
Find the
16.
HCF of
Yes,
16
ma'am.
is the
16.
HCF. 16 though?
Ma'am, 16.
Yes, ma'am.
16.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Poojan,
is it right or wrong?
Poojan and Suhana. What is your answer? You have got the answer?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. Safin, got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have got. It will be
Poojan, what
16.
is your answer?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, I have
Acha.
got.
Tell me your answer.
Ma'am, 16.
Okay, Tuhinur, Ashmita, Anushka, Anuva. One
Yes.
by one.
What?
Say the answer.
Ma'am, it will be 16. What?
It will be 16 means what? You have done or not done?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Where? Show me your copy. Shayon Haldar, show me your copy. Tuhinur and Shayon. Acha, Mirza, Oritro, Orpon. And Riazuddin, keep your camera on and show me your copy.
Ma'am, can we write that the maximum capacity of the pot is 16?
Only in one statement you can write it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I show my copy?
A teacher had
Yes, ma'am.
224 trophies, okay? And this much trophy,
336 and
336
336 balloons.
balloons. Yes. Okay. The same thing. She has to distribute the equal number of trophies and equal number of balloons to each other, each the student. Huh. So what can be the maximum number of students?
It
Suppose
is also same.
it is also same, right? Basically, suppose it cannot be happen. There is one student who got balloons but have not got trophies. Okay.
Yes.
So the common factor we have to find out so that they will get both the thing.
All of the sum are same.
Okay, exactly. That's why I told you, if you understand any one type of question, then you can solve all the question. Okay, now
Find out the common factor.
exactly. Here I am showing the HCF. Write the statement yourself. Okay. Okay, ma'am. What is going on? Do you not mute yourself? What is going on? Do you know if at your home, if someone is talking, then just don't you have common sense? Just mute yourself. You are mature enough. From the next day, I will mute all of you. Then I'll start the class. You are getting the opportunity to mute or unmute yourself. Stay muted, all of you. Okay, now look at this. Acha, by using division method also you can find this, because this will be more easy, huh? I am using long division method, huh? By 1, then 2, 1, 1.
112.
Exactly. Now it will be
Then it
directly
will be 2. Exactly. Yes, ma'am.
hence, how many students will be there? 112 students. Write the answer properly. Then the maximum number of students are 112.
Ma'am, can we write the required number of students?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can we write the statement?
Yes, write the statement. I told to.
Ma'am, can we write the required number of students is?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let me explain the 7th one. Okay. Riazuddin Orpon understood Kazi. Kazi, you joined late. Just now you joined. Kazi,
Ma'am.
I cannot find you throughout the class. Okay. Now look at this. Shoha Mukherjee, sit properly so that I can see you, not your fan. Okay. Question number 7. The length and breadth of a rectangular garden is given. The length is given 1152 centimeter and the breadth is given. Okay. Suppose this one is the rectangle. Okay. And the breadth is given Acha. Here the breadth is 1664. Acha, then the figure will be in this way, huh? Understood?
But ma'am, always length is
But
bigger
this
than
one
width.
will be length. Okay, I am just going to say that one, huh? I was just going to say that one. Basically, this will be the length, huh? The bigger one is known as length. Okay, the smaller one is breadth usually. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now look. What is the maximum number of length of our measuring tape that can measure both the things? You can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can do
Yes, ma'am. It is only the HCF.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
The maximum length of a measuring tape which can measure one 664 centimeter and 1152 centimeter will be their HCF, or you can write the length of their HCF, okay? Or you can write the length of their HCF. Okay? Understood? Hence,
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
find their HCF. Hence, find their HCF. I am doing the HCF over there. You can use division method, okay? That will be much better, okay? It will take less time.
But ma'am, I have done ma'am prime factorization here.
Okay, no issue. Basically, it will take less time, okay? Look, by 1, this one will be 2, 1,
512.
and 5. Okay? By 2,
124. 1024, sorry.
1024.
Then the answer will be
Then 128 it will be. Then 512 it will be 4 minus 512 0.
It will be completely divisible, yes?
Yes, ma'am. By 4.
Now write the answer. And I require,
Please show the first page one.
Yes, ma'am, please show.
hence the
Ma'am, please show the first page.
yes. I'm showing it. Of the measuring tape is 128 centimeter. At first write this, then I'm showing you the first page. Okay, now after that I'll check the copy. Okay, all of you understood? So this exercise done. On Monday
yes,
I'll
ma'am.
start the
Yes, ma'am.
on Monday I'll start computer. Okay, then Tuesday maths again. In this way, this one will go on, huh?